Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Online Course. So today I'm going to teach you the pattern for this sweater. So for starting the pattern, I have this hook. The number is 3.0 millimeter and the yarn is 3 ply. So first of all, we will make the chains. So in this pattern, we will make chains the multiple of 12 and 1 plus 1 in the last. So make chains 12 plus 12 plus 12 and at the last add one extra chain. So I'm here making a piece of pattern, not the full tutorial. It's not the full sweater tutorial. I'm just telling you the pattern, that how you can do this, so you can make anything or any style using this pattern. Okay, so here I am doing chains, a multiple of 12. Okay, so I have here done a few chains, the multiple of 12. Now skip this first chain and in the second do a single crochet like this, and again do a single crochet in the next. So this is the first row of our pattern, and in this we just need to make single crochet in each and every stitch in this first row. So just do it, and if you like you can do double crochet or half double crochet instead of single crochet, or you can keep the first row as just as simple chain. So I'm doing here the single crochet for border, and this is the side of border. Complete this row. Here I have completed the row number 1 of single crochet. Now move to the next row. For the next row, do 3 chains. 1 2 3. Now turn your work, and in the next stage do a double crochet here, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and again a 1 double crochet in the same stage. So you can see here I have stitches in the start, 1 chain, 1 stitch of 3 chains, and then next is 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double. Now 5 chains, 4 and 5 chains, and here I will skip 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the 6th stitch again 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Here you can see again 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Skip 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the 6th stitch 1 double crochet, and 1 chain, and again 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So this is the second row. This will go like this. You will need to make 5 chains, skip 5 stitches, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So complete this till the last of your stitch. Okay, now here I'm at the end of the stitch, end of the row. So at the end I will just add 1 double crochet in the last of the stitch. So as I have done 1 stitch in the start, so it will make a balance in the start and the last. So next row again 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet in this space. So the starting and ending will be the same. Here 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet here. Okay, so make double crochet. This is the starting and same will be the ending line. Okay, now in the next space we need to make, for first we made 2 chains, then make 8 double crochets in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet. Here I have done 6, add 2 more, 7 double crochet, and the last 8 double crochets here. Okay, so again now we will, so 8 are done. Now add again 2 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 are done. Now again 2 chains, 1 and 2. In the next space we will not make 8 stitches, we will do only 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So here like this. Okay, so in the next we will again do 2 double crochet and 2 chains and 8 double crochets in the space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4. Just complete this. So in this row we will make 8 double crochets in the space, then 2 chains, and in the next space we will do 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So this is the pattern. In one space we will do 8 double crochet, then the next space we will do 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So this is our third row of the pattern, and complete it like this. Okay, you can see here. Now complete the row. Again do the same thing, 2 chains. I'm at the end of the pattern, so 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the same space. So this is the last, and now add 1 double crochet at the end, the third, in the third chain here. So the done, the row is done. You can see how it is the looking. Now move to the next row. So the row number 2 will be repeated in next. 3 chains, flip your work, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet like I have done in ending and starting. Okay, now we are repeating the row number 2 here. For row number 2 we will again do 5 chains here, 1 2 3 4 and 5 chains, and in the 1 2 3 and 4, the stitch between 4 and 5 we will do 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet here. So here like this, you can see here. Now again 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and now again in this space 1 double crochet, 1 chain and again 1 double crochet. So do this till the last stitch. Again 5 chains here, and in the middle of stitch 1 2 3 4, and in the fifth and fourth stitch do a double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet here. So this is repeating from the row number 2. Just complete it till your last stitch. Now move to the next row. In the next row we will repeat the row number 3. So again we need to make 3 chains, flip your work, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the first space. Like you can see here, the starting and the ending is the same as always. So now we will repeat the next process, 2 chains and 8 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 chain, sorry, 2 chains. So now 8 double crochets here in the space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5, 6, 7, 6 are done, like 4, 7 and 8, the last one. So I have done here 8 double crochets like I have done in the row number 3. So repeat this again, 2 chains now, 1, 2, and here we will do 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 chain, and again 1 double crochet in this space. So how it is looking, you can see this, complete this. So here I have done a few rows, you can see the look of the pattern. So this is really easy and fast, and you can make sweaters, tops, shawls or whatever you want. If you like my video, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.